In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into OneDrive account. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. In the search box, type OneDrive login. This is the quickest way to land on the official sign-in page without needing to remember the exact address. In the results, look for the official Microsoft link. It will mention Microsoft OneDrive or show a Microsoft domain such as microsoft.com or onedrive.live.com. Click that result to go to the OneDrive page. On the OneDrive page, choose the Sign In button. This takes you to the Microsoft Sign In screen. Here, enter the email address, phone number, or Skype username associated with your Microsoft account, then Continue. If your browser has seen this account before, you might also see your account listed. In that case, simply select your account to proceed. As a quick tip, always double-check the web address bar and make sure you're on a Microsoft site before entering any credentials. Next, complete the security verification if prompted. You may see an option to send a verification code. Click Send Code, then check the method you've set up, such as your email, text message, or Authenticator app. Retrieve the code and carefully enter it in the field provided. If you don't receive the code right away, give it a few moments and check your spam or junk folder for email, or request a new code if needed. Keep in mind that codes expire, so use the latest one. After you successfully verify, you may see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. Click Yes if it's your personal or trusted device. This will save you time the next time you visit OneDrive. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to select No, so your account isn't kept signed in. Once completed, you'll be taken into your OneDrive files. From here, you can upload documents, create folders, and access your cloud storage from anywhere. If you're using a work or school account, you may be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. Just follow the same process with your organization's credentials. And if you ever run into sign-in issues, confirm you're using the correct account, ensure your internet connection is stable, and verify that your browser isn't blocking necessary cookies or pop-ups. That's it. You've successfully logged into your OneDrive account and you're ready to manage your files securely in the cloud.